When working with Excel, you can encounter the following types of errors. 1. NA error. This is called the value not available error. You will see this when you use a lookup formula, and it can't find the value, hence not available. 2. Div 0 error. You're likely to see this error. When a number is divided by 0, this is called the division error. 3. Value error. The value error occurs when you use an incorrect data type in a formula. 4. Ref error. This is called the reference error, and you will see this when the reference in the formula is no longer valid. This could be the case when the formula refers to a cell reference, and that cell reference does not exist. Happens when you delete a row, Josh column, or worksheet that was referred in the formula. 5. Name error. This error is likely to a result of a misspelled function. 6. NUM error. Number error can occur if you try and calculate a very large value in Excel. 7. Null error. The formula uses an intersection of two ranges that don't intersect. 8. Spill. With the launch of dynamic arrays in Excel 365, any formula that produces multiple calculation results automatically spills those results into neighboring cells. Please notice, any formula, even the ones that were not initially designed to handle arrays. A range of cells containing the results is called a spill range. And if something on the sheet prevents filling that range, a spill error occurs.